We want to ensure that you are always informed and up to date on the performance of your property. To do this, it is essential that your email address is activated and verified so you can receive the monthly owner reports directly from our system. These reports include valuable information such as leasing activity and marketing updates, tenant applications and showings, property performance insights. If your email has not yet been activated, you will not receive these reports. Please follow the steps below to make sure your email is verified. Step 1. Look for an email from Tenant Turner with the subject line, "Verify your email to receive owner reports." Step 2. If you see the email, click the verification link inside to activate your account. Step 3. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your spam junk folder. Step 4. If you still cannot find it, simply send an email to support@tenantturner.com from the email address you want to activate and let them know you would like to receive the owner report. They will verify it for you. A useful tip, if you prefer, we can also resend the verification email upon request. It is very important to complete this process as soon as possible so you can begin receiving your monthly reports without interruption. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us directly. We're here to help. Best regards, Boardwalk Realty and Management Team.